Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add a sound effect to your video transitions in CapCut Mobile. So in here, I've already import two videos to my CapCut and I want to first add the transition. Okay, let's say I add the pull in transition to my clip. Okay, like this, click on the check icon. Then to make it more dramatic, I'm going to add a sound effect. So go to audio, sound effects. Here just find the one that you want. So I'm going to maybe find whoosh. Okay, let's hear it. Okay, I'm going to add this one. And you can just adjust the position to fit with the transition. Let's hear it first. Okay. Okay, so I think it fits now, and here is the result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe and click on the thanks. Bye.